Hello. Wait. Hello. This is my Apocalypse train station map. Was it's the spawn? And yes, I did make this map by myself as well. This is the town that I put that leads into the actual train station itself. Well, my God, it's been so cold lately, guys. If it has been cold for where, oh my God, if it's been cold where y'all are, as well, please let me know in the comments. Anyways, I just decided to put these dumpsters here. Back here is just some random, I don't know, wood I put. I don't even know why I put these, I just did. I just put that there to put it there as well. Oh, here's a container yard. But I'm not gonna talk about that right now. Over here is where I'm really trying to get to. It's like a little building here, as you can see. Yeah, here's the interior of it. Nothing interesting, obviously. But here's the container yard. I don't even know why I put this, to be honest. I really don't. Yes, I am getting out my zone for this one. Because this is a very hard thing to navigate. This map is multiplayer compatible, so if you ever want to see this map for yourself, you can. It's multiplayer compatible. It's only 912 props, so it's compatible for multiplayer. Yeah, over here we just got more containers. We do have a Apocalypse container here as well. It's just this. Right behind it. Whoa. Whoa! Ah! How I made this, I don't actually know. But that is nowhere. More just in here. This is a random container. If you really want to get up here, you do have to go up here. Yeah, so they actually take the right time to do this. But we just got more. These boards you can walk on in case you just want to. No particular reason. Just are here to be here. Of course, if you want to get on top, well, this is how. Anyways, let's move. Oh my God. Anyway, I was gonna say, moving on. These are just here to be here already. Dude, I don't know why I put those orders, dude. They didn't know what to do with some of these props. Whoa! I hated that. Just got more here. It's a guy who died. Totally normal. Here's an apocalypse truck I made. I know, crazy build I have here. Yes, I know. I am aware. This is another apocalypse truck. Believe me, making these custom apocalypse vehicles is not an easy task. At least I don't accidentally deleted one. Well, I swear this lag is even kidding me. No more random stuff here. I don't believe I have anything in this one, so I'm gonna open it anyways. I wasn't sure. Yeah, there's nothing in there. What? Oh, okay. We'll go right here. This is the archive system itself. If you don't understand what I did here, I made it look like this train actually fell off. Oh well, fell over. Here is one of my favorite things about this map. My custom pocket trains. Of course, there's another one, but let's just look at this one for now. Yep, I created this masterpiece. Also, if there's any games y'all want me to try on the channel, you can tell me. Just like tell me, like comment or something. Okay, here's the now we're on the train. Just put those there for no reason. Whoa. Oh. Let's see, I did take the time to actually put stuff on here. Oh. There's more stuff over here. Nothing interesting, really. There is a train up there. This is a random train I put up here. There's nothing really here. Just a train there for no reason. So don't ask why I put that. I know that wasn't my idea. That made that. Yeah, and yes, I did make that deep for some purpose. Here's another apocalypse train. I'm gonna get on my zone for this one though. Whoa. Let's see, this train, apocalypse train, had also. I did. How do I make these things? I really wish I knew. Okay, now on the train. These boxes, of course, I put these crates here. Literally two, so you could get up here. Yep, that's all that's even on this. And yes, these are just some random train tracks. Oh my god, why can I not talk? My god, ah, these I just ah. I mean, these are also just some random train tracks I put. Yeah, no particular reason at all. Just here to be here. Yep. Anyways, that's the map. Whoa. Whoa. Bye.